Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today an update really on the Panerai and how it's actually doing. If you keep up on the channel, you'll realise that my Panerai I've owned for many years now, about 12 years. I bought it from new. While I was winding it, I heard like a snap, and yes, the actual mainspring had snapped on me. So I sent it into the Birmingham Watch Repair Centre over to Lance there to repair and service the watch. He stripped the watch and did confirm that the spring had broken, but also the barrel had lost a couple of teeth, which is somewhat unfortunate. He did contact Panerai to request a new one, but unfortunately Panerai, like so many other companies, don't supply independent watchmakers their parts. So he's on the search now to get a new barrel from other means. So I'm just waiting for him to get back to me on that. The good thing is it's all stripped, it all looks nice and shiny, it's just waiting to be put back together. So I hope to hear back off him soon about that. Now, other things related to the channel, I still have this. It hasn't gone yet, so I'm waiting for this to actually go. So at some point this will be going, and I plan to replace it with either another Zin, or if I'm really lucky and I get I win the lottery, so to say, on the new NBNF MADS 1 project, it might be a MADS 1. We'll have to wait and see. Other things to do with the channel, I'm in talks with a few independent a few micro brand companies about reviewing some of their watches. So if that happens, we've got some really quite interesting watches coming, waiting to see. Obviously, also next weekend we have the Zin event in Coventry, being held at Francis and Gay of Coventry. So I say we've got a decent list of people actually coming from all over the place to be there. So really quite looking forward to that. Also a good time to be able to actually put faces to names. You know, I see some of these subscribers writing, but I never actually meet them, so it'll be quite interesting. And that's really where the channel is at the moment. We've still got lots of videos coming out and waiting for more, more micro brands to get in touch as well, and we'll go from there. So all the best, guys, and I'll keep you informed how the Panerai saga goes. And we'll try and take lots of videos, or at least good pictures, while we're at the Zin event next week in Coventry. Okay, all the best, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care out there. Bye.